We're back. Another day here at another day here at Loso Garage.
We're in
Actually,
the basement.
Yeah, we're in a basement. That's mine.
Very queer.
Why is that queer?
Oh, that's like the most queer jacket I've ever seen.
Warm. Not very nice. Anyway, there was a lot that kind of got off camera. It's been a little hectic over here for editing. We've had some odd situations.
Jacob went on house arrest.
Yeah, Jacob got on house arrest.
J-Boo got locked out of his room for a week.
Reach out to our boy.
Free poop.
Free the poop.
Hashtag free poop.
Hashtag free poop. Blink it on screen right now. We bought this to do the headliner, but it wasn't quite wide enough. But it's a really cool pattern, and they wouldn't let us return it. So whoa. So now we're gonna use it on these visors here, and possibly the little rear speaker bump thing. So we use the fabric because they wouldn't let us return it. I think I already said that. All right, we'll see you in a second. So far, all he has done is taken off the fabric, and you're gonna adhere over it.
You're a fucking idiot.
All right, Matt seems to know what he's doing. I don't. Good taste, good cloud.
Give me this shit. You don't know how to work this.
Wow, man. How you gonna swear at me like that and stuff?
You better shut your fucking mouth.
Woo! The heater's on. Look at how cool that looks.
Look how cool that looks.
You don't think it looks cool?
No, look how cool that looks.
You don't think that?
Touch it. But it feels cool too.
$5.
$5?
6.
Okay.
Alright, so now he's gonna adhere the material. Adherative the materiative.
Golly!
My box. Matco flexing on him. I also have the camber cart home today. Look at that. Skirt. What's up? Oh!
What up?
No! Now I look like a beep. I can't say it in the video.
A beaner?
I was gonna say a cholo.
A cholo.
I mean, am I allowed to say that though?
No, I guess it's...
Well, we'll ask Robert. If Robert says it's okay, then...
Robert is a cholo.
Yeah, exactly. Robert's our collective cholo.
Hey, hello,
I
Joe.
love you, Robert. I just dropped the camera.
Oh, what happened with the SD card, dude?
Well, it backed the SD card out.
But I think it would have...
Oh no, it's not focusing now. No.
Thank God you have warranty. How did they even fall?
Oh, it's not focusing, dude.
What was it? Yeah. It's focusing.
Is it?
It's not focusing good, but when I zoom in, it
It should
focuses.
focus. That's the problem, though.
Yeah. Alright, begin.
Oh, it's fine now. The camera's fine now. So on really old material though, the headliner usually peels off, like the fabric will come off.
Yeah.
That's not our case. I've been trying to do something cool where I change my background every single video to a new car that I like. No, it's a cool idea, because like if you have a really cool stance car, slide into my DMs, Kel350Z. Bling bling bling. Send me something cool and I'll make it my screensaver for the day. Then your car could possibly get over 200 views. Whoa, you just missed a ton of fabric, sir. Whoa, no, sir. We also are gonna put mirrors in. Doesn't have mirrors. We got some mirrors from Walmart. I'll show you them real quick. It's these. Great. I'm gonna drive back to see Matt. Matthew, I'm coming. Hi. Hold it up. Let me see it. Wow. Explain to me how these work. Explain to the kids back at home.
Wire. Sun. No sun.
Really? I wanted a more detailed explanation. That bummed me out. We had some food. Oh, you have heartburn. Heartburn alert. It's heartburn alert. Every day he has a little bit of heartburn.
Just kidding.
You deserve it. Making some big moves. Putting in mirrors. Well, I got nothing good to say right now. If anyone wants to buy this, $5. What happened? What, that is fractions of a mirror. What happened? What went wrong? Explain it to me.
Nothing went wrong. It's just I don't want it to look like that.
I understand that. So, basically the frame, I believe, clips in.
I'm not clipping it. I'm gluing
Oh, you're gluing the backing in.
Yeah, so now it looks flush.
Yeah, that makes more sense. So, well,
Still wet.
I wasn't gonna lock it. No, dude, I wasn't gonna lock
Was
it.
it the 7th time today we've had to do this?
I wasn't gonna lock it though. I didn't lock it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Hostile. No. Oh my god. Yeah, peace out, E6000. Yeah. I just found a picture of my old taillights.
It's a time lapse.
Well, they can out of time lapse for this. Disgusting. Go back to the time lapse. I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Matt thinks it's stupid. I don't think it's stupid. I think I'm pretty impressed by it. So maybe you guys back at home will be. If you think that was cool, drop a like on this video. Drop a comment down below. Matt, you think they're gonna like the wheelie on the ramp trick? Huh? Why? No. Far from it. They're installed. They look pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the way they look. Of course, now you got the mirror in there. So they're pretty dirty, as you can see, but that just needs to get cleaned. So all done with that. The headliner's all done, like I said. And yeah, I guess that's about it for this one. Just as I was ending the video, here he comes, that dirty 30. Woo! Yeah. Too clean. Oh, flexing a little bit. Oh, no way! Oh, the video has to go a little bit longer now. I'm sorry, guys. There he is, the man himself, dude. The Poob.
Hey, Doug.
Sir, it's been a second. Are you off house arrest?
Oh, kind of.
Glad to see you. Glad to see you. A video went live today, by the way, from Low Society, but didn't have our our boy here, chief in editing.
How you doing?
We'll see you guys later. Peace.